Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, finding the zeros of a quadratic function given its equation. So we're going to try and find the zeros, or the x-intercepts here, of y equals x squared plus 5x minus 24. So the first thing I notice when I look at this is my coefficient of x squared, my a value, is 1, which means usually the easiest way to approach this is to try and factor it. Whenever a is 1, factoring is a lot easier. You have other options. You can use the quadratic formula or factoring or whatever method you want. But since that a value is 1, I think factoring is going to be the easiest. So when I'm trying to find zeros, the first thing I do, though, is I switch this y to a 0. So I have 0 equals x squared plus 5x minus 24. Now I can start factoring and having it mean something meaningful. So 0 equals... So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 24 and add up to 5. Okay, so let me get my parentheses down here. I know it's x and x because that's how you get x squared. And the two numbers I believe I'm looking for are positive 8 and negative 3. So plus 8 minus 3. So 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. 8 plus negative 3 is positive 5, so those should work for me. Now, since these multiply together and equal 0, I can use my zero product property, which says I can split these and set them each equal to 0, because at least one of them has to be 0 in order to multiply to give you 0. So these are now separate equations, and I can just do some simple arithmetic here and put those together. Just put my zeros down. X equals negative 8 or x equals 3. Either one of those will work, therefore they are both my solutions, or my zeros, as the case may be.